Here we're doing some creative roof repair. We're cutting out these spots here. You can see where the joint was, and it's usually really weak right in here. So we're taking the metal cutter, Snips, and coming down through here, making V joints. We're leaving this, it'll be structural support later, but we have to pull them up and replace these boards down through here. You can see where we did. And then we're gonna put aluminum that's gonna come to the edge here, down, up underneath this piece. We're gonna put it underneath there, and then we're gonna screw this all down, and we have to clean this all off, and then we Geico like we did over there. So we got some pretty major repair here, but I think we're on track.